zip code?
See, my zip code is 53221. Yeah,
Okay. And you sound pretty young over the call. How old are you?
55. How old do I sound?
You sound like a 60s or 70s.
What? 60, 70? Nah, I ain't that old. I ain't there yet. That my sound old like that for real? But anyways, that's alright. So you still
Hello,
there?
can you hear me?
I hear you.
How old are you?
I'm 55.
55?
55. You said I sound 70?
No, you sound like a 60s, 65.
60? Damn, that old? Damn, hey.
You are 55 years. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I got gray hair,
Uh,
but damn, but I sound
well,
65. Hey, that's first time. That's first time I heard that. But hey, but that's all right. How old are
okay,
you?
okay.
How old are you?
Do you?
Yeah, I make my own
Um,
decisions. Correct.
I'm,
How old are you?
uh, I'm 45.
45. But damn, I sound 65. Damn, that's the first time I heard that. Hey, but like I said, that's all right. I ain't mad at you.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm right here.
And what coverage plan would you like to hear about? Something around 5,000, 10,000, 15 or more?
20,000. I'll be good with that.
Hello. What coverage
20,000.
plan would you like?
20,000. You got
20,000.
20,000?
Okay, okay,
Because, you
okay.
know, I don't want to get buried. I just want to know, I want to get cremated. So I
Oh,
just want to
okay.
know if, you know, because cremation, that's cheaper than getting buried, right?
Okay. And
Yeah.
if you were to get a plan, who would be your beneficiary, like spouse, children, or someone else?
Oh, shit. Maybe my daughter or something?
Or your daughter?
Yeah. But damn, dog, 65, man.
Okay.
That's kind of making me laugh a little bit. I sound 65. I sound 65 years old to you. But
Sorry
like I
for that.
said, I ain't mad.
So, sorry for that, but
No, you don't gotta be sorry. That's all right.
uh, do you have an active checking or saving account that you use regularly?
Correct.
You have, and
Correct.
okay.
Six.
What? Just to make sure you have everything correct, I have everything correct for the specialist. What's your first and last name?
My first name is Joe.
And your last name is?
Cool. Cool.
And what's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
4/20/1969.
20,
4/20. That matter of fact, on Sunday is my
4,
birthday.
20, 4, 4, 4,
20, 1969. I'm gonna be 56.
1969?
69. Yeah, my birth 4/20.
Oh, okay, okay.
On 4/20 on
Uh,
Sunday.
okay.
Yeah, gonna smoke a
Uh,
lot of weed
thank
that
you,
day.
thank you, thank you so much for
Yeah.
your cooperation. That's all I need from my end. Uh,
Nah, but I sound
and,
sick.
and
But
hello.
but I sound
I'm now
65. What?
I'm now going to bring in our product specialists. They are experts in these final expense plans and
Okay.
can walk you through the discounts,
All
prices,
right.
and
All right.
benefits in detail.
Okay. Sounds
So
good. Sounds good.
I, I transfer the call. Just wait.
Okay. Sounds good. Have a good one. Even though you said I sound 65, but that's all right. Hello.
Yeah, hello. I transfer the call. Just
All right.
wait.
Oh, okay. Damn, I thought you were the. You having a busy day today? I guess they didn't want to mess around. But dude said I sound 65. But anyways, first call I recorded today. So what you think? I make y'all laugh a little bit. You know, like, comment, subscribe, share if you like. And like I say, if they call me, I will record. But y'all have a good day, have a good one, and I'll holler at y'all. All right then, peace.